Yeah. No, sit. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl.
I know this must sound crazy. Them not off when them be raising. In my mind and I cannot erase them, yeah. Juna takanificate you, takanificate you. And for that I will do anything.
Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Emma and this is my channel. Huyo mwenye anapiga kelele, that's Roxy. Roxy, come here. Come say hi. Come say hi. Come say hi. What? Come. I wish you were. Say hi. Hi guys, that is Roxy. Look at the camera. That is Roxy. Okay, good girl. Good girl. Okay, you don't want to you. I'm gonna height phobia. Yeah, so this is Roxy. We are here to unbox a playpen for her. Amekuwa active since I came back. It's around 6. Amekuwa tu akirukaruka hapa. So yeah, okay, go. Amekuwa akirukaruka hapa. No, Roxy, no, not there. Amekuwa akirukaruka tu hapa. Go play there. Amekuwa akirukaruka hapa. Labda amechangamka. Yay! Uone. Nini unarukaruka? Nini unarukaruka? Come here. Look at her. She's happy. Yeah, so this video is unboxing a playpen for Roxy. I got it from Jumia. Yeah. Vanika.com stock out of stock. Yeah, so I got it from Jumia. It's a playpen. I'll insert a picture here how it looks online. Yeah, ndo muone what I bought na naishuku because this thing is so small na kwa picha ni kitu kubwa, so I'm hoping for something that looks like the photo I ordered. So kama itakaa hivyo, I'll be disappointed because it's very very costly. It's expensive. It's costly. Yeah, so nita insert the picture there. Stop biting me. I'll insert the picture there and the price. Yeah. So karibu niikate. And the price. Yeah. So packaging ni kama kawaida. Label hata si ya Jumia actually. Ni kama it was just imported like from the supplier in China directly to me, because this one inasema it was shipped to Kenya on 31st October 2023. Then receipt was printed on 11 2023 and delivered on 12. Then I think kuna kastika ingine hapo ndani. So I think it was just delivered directly from China, like supplier delivered directly from China to Jumia warehouse. Then Jumia can deliver. Yeah, so let's see. Ako hyped leo. Ako hyped sana. Look at what I got you. Look what I got you. Look what I got you. Look what I got you. Look. No, don't. Roxy, don't. Look what I got you. Look what I got you. No more than you. What? Look what I got you. Okay, take. Ndo cheze. Yeah, so wacha tufungue. So this is the package. Hope it's finger crossed. Oh, inatwistiwa kama zile neti ukiona. Okay. Then unafungua. Acha nionyeshe na hapa. Roxy, looks like this. So kama hapa, kama like you are just around and you utaki atembee, unaweza eka hapa bed yake, then Roxy, you are making noise with that polythene. Unaweza eka bed yake hapa, then a pee pad. I'm looking for those pee pads. Nimetafuta sijazipata bado. Pee pad na like tuka setup ni kama tuka nyumba ya kuchezea yenye haizi toka nje. Ka pee pad na ile blanket of a resting bed somewhere, na kamaji hapo na mweka na chezea hapo ndasi asizurure. Yeah. I can't see your plate. Kumweka first time kumweka like kufanya vitu na yeye zinamshtuanga, then atakuja kuzoea. Where are you? This is a strange place. Where are you? Kanaanza kulia. Where are you? This is your new play area. This is a new play area. I give you a treat. Nikimpatia treat atakula. Atakula. Haiwezi kula. Sasa kameogopa, anataka kutoka nje. Unaona? Anataka kutoka. Roxy, this is a new play area. Yeah, so anyway, it's nice. It's big, by the way, it's kubwa. Yeah, so Roxy kamepita kakaingiza baridi. Yeah, actually, she's even shaking. Sorry, I'm not putting you in there right now. Yeah, because I'm gonna shake. Like gonna shake. Yeah, so that's it. Oh, sorry, that's it. So I want to show you how vile kanajua ko come here. Roxy, why you? Come here. Mbona kachita hapa na anakula bado. Like that moment nimemweka hapo, now she will not be, hata ni trust kiasi kidogo, ataona if she comes near me, I'll just put her in there. So anaogopa. Okay, sit. Sit. Good girl, sit. Now you have to learn to be patient. Okay, you know how to sit, but you don't want to be patient. She's so playful. Roxy, sit. Sit. Yeah, good girl. Okay, she's so tiny. She's so tiny. Sijui niwasongeshe karibu muone. Hope kitu itazima. Oh, I'm charging the phone. Let me move you guys closer. Itasonga. Yeah. There. Roxy, no touching the cable. Na ameshauma cable ya nini? Ya ring light. Kwa karibu kukatika. Nikazaba kofi. Sasa naogopa. Okay, sit. Roxy, sit. Yeah. No, sit. Yeah. Good girl. Nikumpea, anaenda, she goes and sits. Akimaliza, she comes back. Maliza haraka. Sit.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace.
No,
I never
and
really
wait.
asked to be brought
Sit
into this place.
And
If
wait.
you wanna love me, well then baby I have a taste.
Okay,
All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really
Patience ndo sahi tuna learn because saa zingine this lady is very very heavy.
I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay.
No, sit. This is so playful. Sit. No, stand up. Sit. Sit. Roxy, sit. Yes. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, so guys, okay. I have to train her tukiwa hapa ndani actually. Ndo akujazoe. Let me put it here. Ndo tukae ndani so that she can know that this place is a safe place. So nikika na yeye, she will not be afraid. Okay, sit. Nusia, because it's a new place. Yeah, good girl. Come here. Sit. This is a new place, right? And smell. Sit. I say sit. Good girl. Good girl. Ongeza zingine. So I have to come out, then nimpatie treat akiwa hapa ndani ndio nione kama atakuwa na hiyo uoga bado ama atakuwa na uoga. But even in the kitchen, at times if I go to the kitchen and I close the door, utaona ni kama namfungia huko ndani. So nowadays if I'm in the kitchen, atasimama kwa mlango. She will not get in because she knows I'll close the door na ni kama nimemfungia huko ndani. Yeah, so ni kama kuna phobia ya kufungia because I've been leaving her alone. Yeah, the whole day. So anaona like akiwa in an enclosed area, it's kinda I'm leaving her alone and she doesn't like that. Yeah, so na akiniona, so every step I make nikienda ako hapo hata namkanyaganga like a lot of times because nitaka tu kwa kiti nidhani analala. Nikitoka tu kwa kiti niko bedroom na turn tu hivi mtu ako kwa mguu yangu na mkanyaga. Right, Roxy? Wait. Okay, she's so cute and soft. On Saturday we are going to the doctor. Akuangalia, si ndio? Upatiwe kitabu. Udungwa shindano and you don't have a book. Yeah. So guys, she has to get used to this playpen. Yeah. At least, acha nikienda like kwa mtu and I don't have to leave her, I can go with this. Ndo asisumbwe na mweka tu hapa ndani. If I have visitors, I can put her in here and asisumbwe. Actually, if I have visitors, ni kama yeye atasumbuliwa instead ya kusumbua watu. Because no one will allow her to sit here. Na wako hapo. She's so cute. Yeah? Come on. She's so cute. No one anaweza kumwallow. Then another thing, sijui kama I'll manage to fold this thing back the way it ilikuwa. Hope nitakuwa able to hold it back whenever I want to like carry it around. Oh Roxy, I can take you to work. Then carry this thing. We can go to work together sometimes. Yeah, baby. We can go to work together. I don't think of that. So imekuja in handy. Yeah, so guys, I'll insert the price, the photo, ama nimeinsert hapo nyuma. Yeah, so vitu za dogi it's expensive. Mtu kunipatia hiyo memo. Mtu kunipatia hiyo memo. So let me try coming out of here. Tuone kama atakula. Okay, take this. Okay, sit. Roxy, sit. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Ni samaki dried fish. This is a special occasion. So the other ones zilikuwa, let me show you. Easy. Tasty mini puppy with chicken. So if I give her this one mara first, then nimpatie hii atakula, then atakula hii, then akule hii. But if I give her the fish first, then tena nianze kumtreat na hii, she will not eat these ones. Atataka fish. You scared? Atataka kukula fish. Yeah, so niko na hizi na niko na samaki dried fish. What's up, baby girl? What's up? Wana kama utakushika tena baki rudi. Unaweza rudi. What's up, baby girl? What's up, baby girl? I'll try to leave her upper. I'll try to leave her upper. Okay, sit. Go there. Leave her hapa ndo akae kama amezoea. Okay, sit. Sit. Yeah. Sit. Wait. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, guys, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And if you have any advice regarding puppies, kindly don't hesitate to share on the comment section. Yeah, down there. So yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye.